Hey everyone, it's Jocelyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this necklace out of friendship bracelet string. This necklace has no beads, it's just all friendship bracelet string, and I think it's really cute. I'll show you guys how it looks. So it just looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see the pattern or not. I did 4 colors. What I did was friendship bracelet string and clasps. So if you want to figure out how to do this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so before I show you guys the materials you will need, I'm just going to tell you guys all these materials that I'm going to show in the video are from Joann's craft store. So what you will need is 4 different colors of string. I'm going to be using this blue, purple, and then these ones aren't brand new, but it's green and then a darker shade of purple. And you're also going to need these clasps for the end of your necklace when you are done. And to close these, I also recommend having a pair of these. I don't know what they're called, but I got them at Joann's, so yeah, but I just don't know what they're called. So to start off the necklace, you're going to want to get the string and you're going to want to make it pretty long. So I always get more. I don't have exact measurements for this, just get as much string as you think you're gonna need. I think I'm gonna do that much. That seems pretty good. So now that you've folded them all in half and put them together, you're gonna want to tie a knot at the top, and this will just help hold your string. So now you're gonna want to tape this to a surface so you can start doing the pattern. How you're gonna start off this pattern is you're gonna want to separate all the threads, and on each side is gonna be their matching color. So I'm gonna have purple here, light purple here, light purple here, and you're just gonna want to do that. Okay, so now that we have split all the threads like this, and they're each on one side from each other. I don't know if you guys will see, so I'll move the camera. Now you should have your threads like this. Once you have them all separated and they're each facing each other like that, you are going to want to bring the one on the outside. Sorry if this is bad, I'm holding it with my hand. And you're just going to want to line them up like that. So I get this green and it goes on the middle one on the opposite side. And do it with the last colors, just like that. And then you should start to see the fishtail beginning to form. And once you do that, you can tell that the fishtail is beginning to form. Okay, so now that we have done that and our fishtail is starting to form, you are going to want to start doing the fishtail part. So if you don't know how to do fishtail, all you have to do for this is get a string. I'm getting the blue string, for example. You're going to want to bring it on the opposite side. Then you can get the string from the other side, bring it on the opposite side it was on. It's like that. Now I'm going to be getting this purple string. Get the purple string, put it on the opposite side. Get this purple string, put it on the opposite side. Just make sure that the colors are the same color. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it up close. So you're going to want to get one thread from the opposite side and bring it to this side, and then you get the other thread from the opposite side and bring it on the side that it wasn't on, and do that with the next color. And you're just going to keep doing that all the way down throughout the necklace. This is my pattern so far. The fishtail is coming out pretty good, I'd say so. I've been doing this fishtail necklace for a little bit, and I forgot to mention, when I was showing you guys, I wasn't really showing you guys how to hold it. When you're doing this, since I was just showing you guys how the pattern goes, when you're doing this, you want to hold the necklace really tight, because when you don't do that, it doesn't start making the pattern. I don't know why, but it doesn't. So you're just going to tie a knot at the bottom once you're done. And I already measured this around my neck to see if I did have enough, and I did. You can see I'm just going to do a knot. And I am leaving a little bit of space right there. That way I have a spot to put the clip. Okay, so I'm going to get these, and I'm going to get the clasps that we need that I showed earlier, so we can connect them when we are done. So I'm just going to get this, and then I'm going to put this like that. just like that. And then I'm going to get this, and I'm going to close it. Just like that, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'll do the exact same thing to this side. And I'm sorry if this video has had like bad camera angles. It's just that I don't have a tripod, so it's kind of hard for me to show you guys how I do the braids and all that kind of stuff. I can get this off. We have our finished necklace. So you guys can probably tell I'm in a different outfit. That's because the clips that I filmed were yesterday, so I finished up the video today, and that's why my voice probably changes in between the clips. But this is the first necklace I made, and this is the second one, the one that I did in the video. The pattern just looks like that. This took me about half an hour to do, only because it's a necklace, so you have to make it a lot longer than if you were to make an anklet or a friendship bracelet, so it is going to take longer time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!